Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got us a Buick LaCrosse. They're doing us a AC condenser. Someone decided it was more fun to go through a cone than to go around a cone. See how we bent this little AC condenser a little bit? Yeah, pop the hole right there. All kind of damage up under there. But anyways, so here it is, how the R&R procedure. Here is our new one. What we would do up top here, we have push pins here, a couple over here, and some screws. They're going to be T15s, I believe, or T20s. T20 there, T20 there, one here, and a couple push pins for this little valance right up here. The little big thing goes all around. Those are going to be push clips. Take that up out of the way. This is your brace that sits in here like this. You're going to have 4 10s that hold that in place. And here's where the torque spit screws go down. So once those come out of there, and then take off your hood latch, so that way the assembly can come right out. Disconnect your connector, move the hood latch up out of the way. You can pull this assembly up and out, and then you'll have this, your plastic shield. It sits in here like yay. Got a push pin right here, push pin here, push pin here. And once those items get up out of the way, then the AC condenser can be removed without removal of the front fascia. 13 here on the upper AC line, 13 on the lower AC line, and then way down here, see a little connector right there, which will be that one right there. You just disconnect the connector, 13, then the lines themselves come off. Place your O-rings, so that way you don't have a leak. On the new one of mine, I had to transfer over the AC pressure switch and the studs. Now these studs are E8. They're the inverted torques, or you can use a 6 or 7, maybe get it that way. Alright, so we got our new one in. There's little clips right there. It's going to be typical on a lot of AC condensers. This little clip gets pushed in towards the radiator, and then the trough itself just clips in behind it. Like you're looking right here, sits in there. Sit on the bottom one, and then the top one has a clip right here on the radiator that just sits in place, so that way once it's in there it doesn't come out. So flathead screwdriver, push in that little tang right there. I leave a screwdriver down in it and then come to the other side and do the same thing, and then that way you can release both sides of the condenser and then take it out that way. But going back together, same process. Put a vacuum on it for about 10 minutes, get all the moisture that's been absorbed in here. And this one does have a new dryer, which is awesome, built on the condenser. So vacuum it out, 10 minutes, recharge it back up, and away you roll. Make sure everything is good and tight, your O-rings, everything's connected up, and that's it. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.